Hey, do you enjoy reading?
Oh, not really. I find it challenging sometimes, but I want to improve my reading skills. Do you have any tips?
Absolutely. I used to struggle with reading too, but these 8 tips helped me become a better reader. Let me share them with you.
That would be great. I'm all ears.
Firstly, start with books that interest you. When you're genuinely interested in the topic, reading becomes more enjoyable and engaging.
That makes sense. So, I should choose books based on my personal interests?
Exactly. When you're passionate about the subject matter, it becomes easier to stay engaged and motivated to read. Whether it's fiction, nonfiction, or a specific genre like mystery or romance, find books that resonate with you.
That sounds like a good approach. I'll try to find books that align with my interests.
Great! Secondly, take it slow. It's okay to read at your own pace and take breaks when needed. Rushing through a book can make it less enjoyable and harder to comprehend.
I always feel pressured to finish quickly. I'll remember to take my time now and savor the reading experience.
That's a wise decision. Reading should be a pleasurable activity, not a race. Thirdly, try reading aloud. It can help with pronunciation, comprehension, and overall language development. Plus, it makes the reading experience more interactive.
Reading aloud sounds like a good way to practice both reading and speaking skills. I'll give it a try.
Excellent. It's especially helpful when you encounter difficult words or passages. Fourthly, keep a dictionary handy. Whenever you come across unfamiliar words, look them up and try to understand their meaning in context.
I guess a dictionary will be my new best friend then. It's a great way to expand my vocabulary too.
Absolutely. Don't be afraid to consult a dictionary when needed. It's a valuable tool for enhancing your understanding and improving your language skills. Fifthly, join a book club or find a reading partner. Discussing books with others can enhance your understanding and make reading more enjoyable.
That's a great suggestion. It would be fun to share thoughts and recommendations with fellow readers.
Definitely. Book clubs and reading partners provide a platform for meaningful discussions, insights, and different perspectives. It can also introduce you to books you might not have discovered otherwise.
I'll look for a book club to join or find a reading buddy to share my reading journey with.
Wonderful! Sixthly, set reading goals for yourself. Start with achievable targets and gradually increase the difficulty level. Setting goals gives you a sense of direction and accomplishment.
I'll make a reading goal chart to keep track of my progress. It sounds motivating.
That's a fantastic idea. You can set goals like reading a certain number of pages or chapters per day, finishing a specific book within a certain time frame, or exploring different genres. It's all about finding what works for you.
I'll start with small goals and build up from there. It'll give me a sense of achievement as I progress.
Absolutely. Seventhly, try different genres and styles of writing. It helps broaden your horizons and discover new authors and stories.
I've always stuck to one genre. It's time to explore other options and expand my literary taste.
Exploring different genres is a fantastic way to diversify your reading experience. It allows you to appreciate different writing styles, themes, and perspectives. You can try classics, contemporary fiction, biographies, fantasy, science fiction, or even poetry. The more varied your reading choices, the more you'll grow as a reader.
I'm excited to step out of my comfort zone and explore different genres. It sounds like a great way to discover new authors and expand my literary horizons.
Absolutely. Lastly, don't be afraid to reread books. Each time you read a book, you discover something new and gain a deeper understanding.
I never thought about rereading books, but it makes sense. There's always something new to learn from a well-written book.
Exactly. When you reread a book, you often notice details, themes, and nuances that you might have missed the first time. It allows you to appreciate the author's craftsmanship even more.
I'll definitely consider revisiting some of my favorite books with a fresh perspective. It's like uncovering hidden treasures within the pages.
That's the spirit. So, those are my 8 tips for becoming a better reader. Remember, practice is key. The more you read, the better you'll become.
Thank you so much for these valuable tips. I'm excited to put them into action and become a more confident reader.
You're welcome. Just remember to enjoy the journey. Reading should be a pleasurable experience, so don't put too much pressure on yourself. And if you ever need book recommendations or want to discuss a great read, feel free to reach out to me.
That's really kind of you. I'll definitely take you up on that offer. Happy reading!
Happy reading to you too. Remember, with each book you read, you embark on a new adventure and expand your horizons. Enjoy the magic of words and storytelling.
I will. Thanks again for your guidance. I'm looking forward to this exciting reading journey.
You're welcome. Best of luck, and I have no doubt that you'll become an amazing reader. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep falling in love with the written word.
I will. Thanks once again. See you around.
See you.